Hey, beautiful souls. Today we will be discussing the benefits of mindful breathing. I will go over the positive benefits of taking time out of your day to focus on your breath. I will talk about the negative impacts of shallow breathing, and I will also give you some different types of mindful breathing exercises you can try today. Everyone is breathing, but not everyone is aware that they're breathing. Thich Nhat Hanh. There is a major difference between involuntary breathing and consciously being aware of your breathing patterns. Your breathing can tell you a lot about how you are feeling. Shallow, quick breaths signify stress or panic, and deep, slow breaths signify relaxation and comfort. Managing your stress and trying to stay focused, productive, and positive all the time can be hard. Trying to manage your personal life can be even more challenging when you have to filter experiences with work, family, or other life tasks. So, when you are feeling stressed, it is a great practice to focus on your breathing. Mindful breathing involves gently focusing your attention on your breath, which helps to bring awareness of your experiences to the present moment. When you begin to focus on your breathing, then you can understand your thoughts, the sensations in your body, and the emotions you are feeling, which will give you a better understanding of yourself, more self control in your everyday life, and will help you stay calm and resilient in stressful times. Mindful breathing has so many benefits. Deep breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is your body's rest and recovery system. The nerves in your body and organs, like the heart, become relaxed after experiencing stress or danger, which can help reduce feelings of anxiety or depression and lowers your blood pressure in the process. The parasympathetic nervous system also relaxes the muscles in the gastrointestinal tract and promotes digestion. This can help you properly digest your food and clear up gastrointestinal issues. It can also relieve feelings of constipation and help you control your bladder. Relaxing your nervous system can also improve lubrication in the body, like in your tear ducts to help keep your eyes clear of debris, increase lubrication with saliva in your mouth to break down different foods that you eat, and increase lubrication for your reproductive system to improve sexual functions. Mindful breathing is a kind of bridge that brings the body and the mind together. If through mindfulness of the breath you generate harmony, depth, and calm, these will penetrate into your body and mind. Thich Nhat Hanh. Did you know that in yoga it is believed that the breath is the main source of prana, the life force? The wilderness survival rule of three states that humans can survive up to 3 weeks without food and up to 3 days without water, but only about 3 minutes without oxygen. That statement alone should prove how important the breath is and the positive or negative impact it can have on our overall well being. When you are shallow breathing, your body remains in a state of stress and continues a vicious cycle of your stress causing your shallow breathing and your shallow breathing causing your stress, which triggers the sympathetic nervous system, which is the body's fight or flight response, putting your body into a state of chronic tension and nervousness in the body and mind. Living in a chronic state of stress can lower your immune system, making you more susceptible to illnesses and slowing your recovery time. Shallow breathing from the chest instead of deep breathing from the belly can also cause body aches since you are using the shoulders and neck to help open the chest to breathe. It can cause them to become tense and strained and cause headaches or poor posture. Shallow breathing can also cause chronic fatigue. The less you use deep breathing, the stiffer your rib cage gets, which causes your breathing to stay in the upper lungs. This leads to less oxygen in the body and causes fatigue throughout your day. And because your breathing feels shallow and restricted, you will be more prone to having panic attacks as well. So, whenever you are feeling stressed, pause for a second and take a deep breath. These are all breathing methods you can try depending on whether you are feeling anxious, frustrated, or if you just need to center yourself again. Mindful breathing. This is my first choice because I use this method every day when I meditate, and it is easy to practice in other situations. You mentally count up to 10 with 1 on your inhale through your nose and 2 on the exhale through your mouth, and keep counting until you reach 10. 4-7-8 breathing. This type of breathing exercise allows you to steady your breath if you are hyperventilating or feel frantic. You inhale through your nose to a mental count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 7, then exhale completely through your mouth for a count of 8. Belly breathing. This type of breathing exercise is more about focusing on your body movements so you can avoid unwanted thoughts or mental dialogue. Place one hand on your upper chest and the other hand on your belly below your rib cage. You should feel your stomach fall inwards toward your spine as you inhale and then feel it rise while you exhale. This will keep you conscious of the present moment and less likely to get distracted by thoughts. Thank you for watching. I hope this information is helpful to you. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more holistic living tips.